Have you ever been working in RStudio and started writing code to import your data, only to realize that you can't remember what your data file is called? So you go into the file viewer, find your file, and then you go back in to write your code. It's a little bit of a pain. Let me show you a quicker way. I'm working here in RStudio. I'm going to load the tidyverse, and then I'm going to type read CSV because I know I want to import my data. Now I've got a bunch of data files in my data raw folder. In the old way of working, I might just go in here and find, okay, what's that data file called? It's cbem.csv. The simpler way to do it, though, is just if you type data raw, \, and then you type tab, it will show you all of the files that are there. So then you can just click on it and you autocomplete and get the file that you need. That's it for today. Hope you learned something useful. If you want to get tips like this in your email, sign up at rfortherestofus.com/newsletter.